In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use SmartMirror. Before turning on the mirror, enter the provider and patient details. You can enter the details of an existing patient by typing them into the text box. A new patient can be added under Patient List in the main menu. SmartMirror consists of two parts, the head and the streamer. To turn on the mirror, gently slide the streamer into the mirror head. Please note that the flat end of the streamer should be facing the back side of the head. Once the mirror has been turned on, it will connect to the edge. While connecting, the top 3 LEDs will flash. Once connected, the lights will turn on. After the mirror is connected, the system will update the battery status. Now treatment can begin. You'll be asked to insert the mirror into the patient's mouth. Once the mirror detects it is inside the mouth, the LEDs will automatically adjust their brightness. As long as the mirror is inside the mouth, the mirror is ready for voice commands, and the treatment can be documented using the Miri language. Once the mirror has been removed from the mouth, the lights will dim. To disconnect the mirror, gently separate the streamer from the head. The mirror will then turn off. You can now charge the streamer and clean the head.